The dinosaur that pooped a reindeer.
Fat Cat Books.
The Dinosaur That Pooped a Reindeer by Tom Fletcher and Dougie Pointer. Illustrated by Gary Parsons. One Christmas, a note from the North Pole arrived for Danny and Dino. Huh? To Danny and Dino from the North Pole Post. But what's inside?
Dear Danny and Dino, it's time for a treat. You're both on the nice list, so come round to eat. I'm cooking a feast, and I'm really excited. Don't snack on the way, or you'll be uninvited. Love, Santa. P.S. You won't really be uninvited, but I will not be happy.
The letter is stamped with the letters S and C for Santa Claus. Danny and Dino go to the railway station. They boarded the North Pole Express in the snow. Dino was hungry, but Danny cried, "No!" Dino wants to eat a hot dog. The train rushed through the forests with candy cane trees. Then mountains of crackers with houses of cheese. With rumbling tummies. The pair remained strong and didn't snack once as the train chugged along. With one final chuff, the express train pulled in.
You're here,
Santa cried with a big jolly grin.
The feast's almost ready, but there's time before to show you the workshop and give you a tour.
There's lots of noise inside of Santa's workshop. What's going on inside Santa's workshop? The elves are making lots of toys. The room was in chaos with elves everywhere. What is that? It's a big oven and it says "Caution, hot." What is inside? Dino ignored all the toys that looked cool as the elves' Christmas cookies were making him drool. Some big friendly reindeer were standing nearby, preparing to pull Santa's sleigh through the sky.
Ho ho ho! These are my reindeer.
He showed them some treats which were sparkly and bright.
These make my reindeer team fly through the night.
For Dino, this sight was the very last straw. He gulped down the treats.
He's eaten our food.
But he still wanted more. He swallowed the reindeer. "Stop, Dino!" And he gobbled some elves. Then munched all the gifts on the neatly packed shelves. "No, Dino, stop!"
Oh no! Shouted Santa. Now what will I do? You've eaten my treats and my reindeer crew too.
But Dino's quick meal made his brain whir. And click. What if his bum could help save St. Nick? To deliver the gifts, there was one thing to do. He pushed Santa's sleigh with some help from his poo! And so, with the squelches, sparkly swoop, the sleigh started flying, propelled by the poop. Out flew the reindeer, and presents galore, as Dino pooped harder than ever before. Down every chimney the stinky team flew, and soon they had given each gift except for two.
These are for you,
said Santa with a smile.
You're back on the nice list. At least for a while.
Santa gave Dino and Danny two really big presents.
And now, at long last, my big feast awaits. It's gone a bit funny, because we're so late.
What's happened to the Christmas dinner? The turkey was burnt, and the veg overdone. But nobody minded. They had so much fun.
Oh, oh, oh!
Then Danny and Dino both said their goodbyes. Goodbye!
Goodbye!
And all of the reindeer let out relieved sighs.
Oh, thank God he's gone. I'm so smelly. I really need a shower.
So Christmas is magical. That much is true. So long as your presents aren't covered in poo. Ew! What's on Grandma's present? Do you know?
Merry Poopmas! Ho, ho, ho! My dear little friend, Merry Christmas from the North Pole! Ho, ho, ho! Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, the elves, and I have been hard at work preparing for the big day. I wanted to take a moment to write you a special letter. I've heard amazing things about you this year. The elves have been updating my nice list, and your name always comes up with the most wonderful achievements. I know that sometimes it's not always easy to be patient and nice, especially when things get busy. But every time you lend a helping hand, share a smile, or show kindness, the North Pole lights up with joy. Keep being wonderful, my friend. Here are some fun updates from the North Pole. Rudolph has been practicing his sleigh navigation skills, and let's just say he's mastered the art of flying in perfect circles. Ho, 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 ho. The other reindeer are a bit dizzy, but having lots of fun. The elves decided to have a cookie baking contest, and the workshop smells like gingerbread heaven. There were a few flour explosions, but we had lots of laughs. We've been busy reading all of your wonderful letters and making sure that every toy is just perfect. The reindeer are ready and excited for our magical flight, and I can't wait to visit your home. Don't forget to leave some cookies and milk out for me, and maybe a carrot or two for the reindeer. They get very hungry flying all night long. Christmas is not just about the presents under the tree, but about the love and the joy we share. I hope this season fills your heart with warmth and happiness. Keep spreading kindness and laughter, because that's the true spirit of Christmas! Ho, 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 ho! Wishing you a Christmas that's as magical as you are!
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
And Happy New Year! With lots of love, Santa Claus! Ho, 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 ho!
Ho, ho, ho! Do you want to receive a letter and presents from me, Santa Claus? Don't forget to write your letter and send it to me. Otherwise, I won't know what wonderful presents you would like this year. It's easy. You can use my super simple Santa letter templates. I really want to know all about you. There are different templates for children with different writing abilities. Just go to fatcatbooks.uk and tell them Santa sent you to get your letter from me. And don't forget to send one back to me in the North Pole.
Santa! The reindeer have thrown up everywhere, and the workshop is covered in gingerbread crumbs. What's going on?
Oh no! Mrs. Claus has come back from her spa retreat. I better go now. Don't forget to go to fatcatbooks.uk to get your Santa letter. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! See you soon!
Santa!
Make sure your child is reading and spelling accurately with the Fat Cat Phonics program. Make learning phonics easy and fun with the virtual teacher, which allows your child to learn along with me. Ant. Complete various exercises. Ant. And read unique stories written by myself. Ant and Fat Cat. An ant is in ink. They're designed to be easily read in the early stages of their reading and will build up your child's confidence. Also, make the end of the lesson revision fun with one of the phonics games. Ant. Download some free lessons now at fatcatbooks.uk. You can play this game too. Just head to fatcatbooks.uk and download the free game. There's also a paid-for version which has more characters and also more levels. so you can learn how to spell. Like how to spell elves.
Get it now! Visit fatcatbooks.uk.